Hello friends, this is Pankaj Chatri and you are watching AEM tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk about the BOGO offer which Adobe has recently released, and we will also see how you can register for the Adobe AEM developer exam. So let's get started. Just go to this link solutionspartners.adobe.com. Here scroll down, you will find this offer BOGO on ACE exams. ACE means Adobe Certified Expert Exams. So AIM developer, AEM lead developer, or AEM architect exam. If you want to go for this certification, then this is the best time to avail this BOGO offer, that is buy one get one offer. For more details, just click on this link. This this buy one get one offer is valid from 1st October to the 30th of November 2018. It means that if you register for any AC exam, for example, you're registering for Adobe AEM developer exam, then after completing first exam, you can register for other exam or you can retake same exam for free of cost. And you can avail this offer only if you are SPP partner. SPP means Solutions Partner Program. You can read all details here. You will find all details. If you Here you can read that if you take an AC exam by November 30th, you will be eligible to request a voucher for free of cost. And you can apply for other AC exam or even you can retake same exam by 30th of November. Now let's talk about how to apply for this offer. If you have given the exams, then for the second exam, all you need to do is download and send your score report to SPP Help. SPP Help means spphelp@adobe.com. You have to mail your scorecard and attach to the mail and send this to the SPP for the discount voucher. So this way you can avail this BOGO offer. And here they have mentioned that this is free for only SPP partners. And if you have any query about this BOGO offer, then you can click on this BOGO FAQ. It will download a PDF for you. Here you can find the most common answers regarding this offer. I would recommend you to go through this PDF for your questions. Here you can see how you can get 100% discount voucher. You have to email to spphelp@adobe.com with the proof of scorecard, and that is between September 1st and 15th of November. And they will reply you with the voucher code that you can apply for your second exam. And you have to give that second exam before 30th of November. So this was all about this BOGO offer, and this offer you can avail only after giving the first exam. And now I will talk about the discount voucher which you can apply on your first exam. So suppose if you are paying $120, then with the discount voucher you will get a 33% discount on that. So let's see how you can avail that offer. To get a discount voucher of 33%, all you have to do is you have to email to spphelp@adobe.com from your company's mailbox if your company is the SPP partner. So just mail them that you are interested in taking AIM developer exams. So please share the discounted voucher. And now let me show you what reply I got from them. Once you send the mail, you will get the reply back in few minutes or maybe after one day. So this is what a reply I got from them. So this is the voucher that I can use. I have already used this voucher, so you cannot use it. So don't try to copy and paste it because it is already expired. I have already used it. So if you're SPB partner and you want to get a discounted voucher for your exam, so this way you can get it. Now let's see how you can register for your exam and how to get the discount using this voucher. Go back to our page and click on this link. It will take you to the cert matrix. It will ask you for the Adobe ID. If you have not created any Adobe ID, then I would recommend you to create it because you need an Adobe ID to register for this exam. Put your Adobe ID and click on sign in. And now here click on schedule your exams at PSI. Click here to log in. Let me click here. It will take you to the different link and it is trying to log in. So in this link, you can register for your exam. Here you can find many exams, for example, DevOps exam, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Campaign Developer, but I'm looking for Adobe Experience Manager Developer exam. Here I can see AEM 6 Developer AC exam. Now I will show you how you can register for this exam. So here, click on schedule exam. So there are two ways of giving this exam. Either you can go to the test center, or if you have good bandwidth of internet, then you can take it from your home also. So let me select remote online proctored exam because I want to give it from my home. Click on continue. Here it will ask you for your country. So mine is India and time zone is Asia, Kolkata. Now it will ask you for the date. Suppose I want to schedule it for 8th of November. I will select this and here you can select the time which is available. Suppose I want to give it at 9:30 a.m. I will select this and click on continue. So the duration is 90 minutes. It will start at 9:30 a.m. on 8th of November. Click on continue. Booking created successfully. Now close it. Booking created successfully and here it will show you the fees. So default fees is 120 USD, US dollar, and you can put the discounted voucher here. So mine was this voucher. Let me copy this and put here. Whatever voucher you get, put here and click on apply. It is already used by me, so it is already expired. So once you put the valid discount coupon and click on apply, you will find that $40 will be deducted and you have to pay total $80 if you apply the valid coupon. After that, put your credit card number, expiration date, CVV, your name, card name, and address. That's it. And acknowledge it and click on pay now. After that, it will show you the receipt that you can verify and download. I hope you got the useful information from this video. I have covered the BOGO offer, what is that, and how you can avail it. After that, I also covered the discount voucher of 33%. And after that, I also showed you how you can register for this AEM developer exams. So if you are planning to give AEM developer exams, so this is the best time when you can go for this exams. That is from 1st October to 30th of November. Thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.